Hello, good evening. Today I will be discussing how I am handling my documents, what is the procedure to control the documents and send to the client. So it is something very basic but very important. So let's start, with the sample project. So like for example, I have this engineering folder, and under the engineering I have a lot of subfolders for each discipline. So for example, we are working one of the document in the piping. So we will just create this document. It's just dummy number with the revision and some brief name of the documents. So once it is created, we will send this document to the document controller. The document controller will has access to this folder. So the first thing he need to do is that he will come and he have the same structure of the documents, and under the piping he will record it here. Okay, so once he has placed it here, he has to now issue it. So again, he will copy the document from here. He will go to the transmittal folder, and as it is going to the client, so he will create a transmittal. So this is I just created a sample transmittal folder, so you will place it here. Okay, this document is placed here. Okay, this is transmittal number TR001. Now this is our transmittal register. He will open this transmittal register, and he will just add the transmittal number and the document number, which is this one. Okay, this is the document number, and it has revision 0. I'll say document title is layout drawing for piping, and the date, today's date is, for example, 12th of October. Once he create this one, he has to come to this sheet, and from here he will select this transmittal. Sorry, yeah, select it. Automatically this date, we have to fill where it is going, and here it is automatically the number of the documents which are being issued under this transmittal, which we have filled here, will automatically come here. Then we have to take a PDF, make a PDF of this one. Okay, and I just replacing. Oh no, this is transmittal cover sheet. We can give number or whatever. So we'll get a PDF of the transmitter like this. Now the document controller will attach this sheet along with the original document and send to the client. Okay, so once after some time this document comes back. For example, this document has come back in, then he has to place here. So let's suppose this is XX01 is the transmittal number of the client which he received, and he has to place here. And once he placed here, it should be either commented or approved or something. It has to be written here at the end of, not here, here after this revision. It has to be commented or approved or rejected, whatever. Okay, now the important thing is he has to copy this file and come to the document controller engineering and place it here. Now we have two files, one which we issued, one which we received. So it has to have a superseded folder. So and the old file will go to superseded. Okay. And he has to intimate the engineer that the document has been received with commented or approved, blah blah. So what the engineer will do? The engineer has to, or designer, whatever, he has to now change the status of this document. So it will now, again, there should be archive folder here as well. Okay. So first he need to copy this one, place it here, and this he has to convert it to revision B dash draft. Now he will keep working on this, and once he has finalized it, he will remove this draft and send to the document controller. Document controller will start his procedure in the same way as he did, only he has to place the document again in the same folder. And again, now we have two one. This is now commented, which is old, and this is new. So the old file will go to the superseded folder, and this file he will copy from here, and then he has to create another transmittal, okay, to client. So he will create tr-02, okay, and in the tr-0-2, yes. And one thing which I forgot to tell, once we receive this document back, suppose we received this document back on the same date, okay, and yeah, and in the folder xx-01, the transmittal we received, and now again we are sending this whole thing with document number 2, transmittal number 2, and sorry, this is region 0. It should have been region A, and now this should be region B. Okay, and here let's suppose we put 13 date. Again, he has to come here and select this next transmittal. It will automatically change everything. He can make a PDF and send the document. So this cycle will keep running until we close the document. The benefit of this one is that, after some time, like if you want to see only what happened to this document, you can come here in this register and check all the history at one place. So like when this was issued first time, once in which transmitter it was issued, when it returned, blah, how many times. And similarly, if you go to this folder, the document folder, you will see here in the piping. Now if you want to just search this document here, if you search, okay, all the revisions of this document are available. So, or even if you go to the supersede folder, you will find all the revisions. So easily, even there are 1,000 documents, they will be like classified, like with the name sorted, and you will find them in one place. So you can have all the history in one place. So this is how I'm managing my documents. I hope in some way this video can help you, and especially for the people who are starting their jobs and they want to know how the documents are placed, and so maybe this video can help. So thank you very much for your time. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos, and keep following. Thank you very much.